I look so gross. Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Lily. Please do subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of this little fam. Sorry I've missed a couple of uploads. If you're new, I've been uploading Saturdays, Fridays and Wednesdays. That's just not true. Sundays, Fridays and Wednesdays. And I've just not been really feeling it recently. I think it's quarantine's getting to me. You know, I've been kind of just on TikTok, which is really quite tragic, isn't it? My TikTok blew up. Well, it really didn't blow up. It got like 90k views or something. And so I've been kind of obsessed with it. And I've kind of neglected YouTube, so I'm sorry about that. So just thought today, I'm not feeling my best this past week, you know. A bit of like mental health, bit of ED vibes, like I've just not been feeling myself. Frustrated, I guess, that people are seeing their friends and their boyfriends but I'm not. But obviously I don't want to because that's silly. I'm just kind of frustrated that other people are. That makes sense, that they're like not listening to rules and stuff. So I'm just feeling a bit, I just need to sort myself out really. So I'm gonna make a new intro. I'm gonna get myself ready. This is probably gonna be a 2-day vlog because I was thinking we're in isolation, I'm not really doing much, so it's not that much to film. So I might just film over a couple days, get this up either Wednesday or Friday, finish a few videos today. Katie always gets me pumped. Like, I'm like, I don't have any motivation. She's like, yes, you got this, keep going. And I love her. She just posted a new video featuring me. Go check that out. I've been watching some Maddie Bruce. If you don't watch Maddie Bruce, go watch Maddie Bruce. She's so good. And she's just so feel good and positive. She does a lot about mental health on her channel, but she's always like, woo, let's go. We got this. So, you know, I'm just gonna suck it up. I'm always wearing the same outfit. So I might actually change today, actually put some clothes on. Today, the plan is to bake a cake. We've got some rank apples, so I'm gonna make a little apple cake. I'm gonna actually put makeup on for the first time in like 2 weeks. I would say I was letting my skin breathe, but clearly I wasn't. Because, what is that? And what is this? Literally washed my hair yesterday. I need to sort it out. What should I do to it? See what I mean? Like everything, I just feel in every way. Hair, face, appearance, body, life. And my family drive me insane. So there we go. That is my really long intro that I've rabbited on about for 4 minutes. So yeah, please stick around, subscribe, like, and let's get on with this mishmashy vlog. Think of what in the hair? That wasn't a sentence. Okie dokie, this is gonna do. I just need to put mascara on. I can't be bothered to do my hair. This is what it looks like natural. It's like curly. Already I feel better. I'm just gonna find some earrings and then we can go and bake a cake. There we go, I am all ready. Taking a cheeky Insta story. Go follow me on the gram. Go follow me on the gram, I'll link it below. And I think I'm gonna make a cake. Let's find a place to put you. You're always up here. There we go, you have to stay there. I think I'm gonna make a Dorset apple cake. Because my dad bought these apples, but they look kind of gross. No one in my family is gonna want to eat those. So I'm going to make, oh, I'm so warm. I'm gonna make a cake and then I'm gonna start making dinner. We're having turkey and vegetable pie, but mine's just gonna be vegetable because I'm not about that meat life. And yeah, I'll catch up with you on my cakes in the oven. Well, probably not when it's in the oven, but when we're getting there with the cake. I'm gonna try and do a lot less time lapses because I feel like it's quite boring. And try and maybe talk to you a bit more about like actual life feelings. So I'm always worried I'm gonna be boring if I'm not constantly doing something. But you know, maybe I'll try and just get a bit more emotion, get a bit more deep. I feel like we had a good chat this morning. Missy, how are you having fun in quarantine? No. Missy's decided she likes to bring me mice. Sonia eats them and then Missy just brings them to me and pretend that it was her. I'll stop waffling and catch up with you when my cake is getting there. I need to find a recipe. probably see my dad may come in mid-section. There we go. Good was that timing. I'm literally genie. Why am I so nervous? I haven't done this in so long. I wouldn't normally care if someone walked in. My cake's in the oven. Okay, Google, how much longer of my timer is there?
T-minus 7 minutes and 28 seconds.
7 minutes left. It's looking good. I've started cooking dinner. We're having a pie, as I think I already said that. I haven't actually eaten today yet. I've had a smoothie this morning. I've been trying not to eat, so I've just got like my porridge waiting to be put on. I thought I'd start tea first and then make some porridge for myself. Just don't know what I'm saying. Sorry, this vlog's gonna be so bad. I'm a bit rusty. I don't have corona, I promise. I'm just doing dinner. It's looking good, I'll show you. Looks delish. Everyone's in a good mood, surprisingly, even my dad. I just wish Jack was here. But oh well. We message like every day and stuff like that. And we always have FaceTimes, so I don't know. Just makes me realise that I do want him around forever. It's kind of like a taste for what being at uni will be like, I guess. But it's sad because as soon as this all finishes, I'm leaving. But oh well, he can come live with me. That would be a dream. So I'm just popping my porridge on because yes, I'm eating breakfast at 6 p.m. Love that. But we don't eat till like 9:30, so it'll be fine. I won't ruin my dinner, as Jack's nan would say. Hello to you. Forgot I had this on my head. Been making TikToks. This was my man disguise. I was making a TikTok with an outnumbered soundtrack. Well, let me sort myself out. And then I'm gonna go put me pie in the oven. Did I ever tell you that that's what I was making for dinner? I think I did. My hair looks ridiculous. So yes, let's go put the pie in the oven. I'm having a great time filming my TikToks. I can't even film in here because this is so loud. Let's go downstairs. Hello to you. I look a bit worse for wear. I think I'm gonna take my makeup off. Oh my gosh. So it's about the yawn. Take my makeup off and do my skincare. Thought I'd bring you along with me. Thought that'd be my cute. That's not a sentence, Lily. That might be quite cute. So let's head into the bathroom if I can be bothered to get up. Okay, bye makeup. I quite liked it today. Gonna do it tomorrow and put a nice outfit on. Because this week I've been filming the outfit video, which will be up soon, hopefully. Classic, using this to take my makeup off, what I always do. And then I've got this Hugins? I don't know. Purifying face wash, which I'm going to cleanse with. I got this, which I'm very excited to use. It's like a little silicone brush. So I'll take my makeup off and get back to you with me face brush. I need to stop saying I'll get back to you when. Like, you'll just see it. Like, I don't need to tell you, you know? You'll just see it because I'll be doing it, because I'll film it, you know? I need to sort my life out. Jack, would you still date me if I look like this? If this was how I wore my makeup. If I look like this on our first date. A facial silicone cleansing pad. Grab a doot. Oh, it matches my nails. Oh, look. Face wash on it. That looks so nice. Wow, this is going to be such an interesting segment. Watch Lily wash her face. Lit one. Oh my god, it smells good. I'd recommend getting yourself one of these. Get one on Birchbox. They're only $4.99. They're really cheap. I think you can get them in other colours as well, if you're not a fan of pink. Which way round do you do cleanser and exfoliator? Like, which way round should I be doing it? Because I always exfoliate first, which I realise I haven't done. Because I was too gassed to use me sponge. But when I wash my face in the shower, I always exfoliate first. So which one should I be doing? Do let me know. Do leave a comment, you know. Let's get a little chat going in the comments. How are we all feeling? How are we all doing? It's funny how when people say how are you, they actually mean it 8 AM. You know? No one ever means it normally, do they? How are you? Yeah, fine. That's just all you just expect them to say, yeah, fine. I'm really into this. I think I need to use a cloth to get it off though. Something in here smells like fish. It's just not information anyone needed to know. We love this angle. I left my tripod downstairs, I think. What can I put you on? I'll just talk to you at this ridiculous angle then. There's apple cake downstairs. I never tried it. I got out of the oven and I was making tea. Wow. Dang. A little bit of lip balm. And I've got some pudding downstairs. I made a fruit salad for myself and I'm gonna get a little raspberry Alpro and pop it on. Come back up, watch The Big Bang Theory on Netflix and eat it. Woo! Got me fruit, my big bowl of fruit. Sorry about the awful graininess. And my yog. You might not be able to see it. Yay, focus on my Alpro. Defo get these if you're like dairy free or just looking for a healthier alternative. And I got my Netflix loading. I want to watch The Big Bang Theory. I'm on the last episode. Boom. That is my evening sorted. I'll let you know if I have any cake. I'll give it a little taste test. If not, I will see you in the morning. Good morning to you. Today, don't even know what the bloody date is. I've given up. Don't know the date, don't know the day. But you know, that's how we're going. I've got a hat on today. I literally never wear a hat. This is my outfit. Woo woo. Little hat, little top that I wear literally every day. And my joggers that I wear literally every day. My dad said today that he's going to go through his wardrobe and give me all his old clothes, which I'm gassed for. Look at that, that's not okay. I'm just going to walk around like this. It's like a cartoon pimple. There we go. I kind of want to straighten my hair. I kind of want to get some good angles, you know. Right, I'm going to put this, I got this in my Birchbox. Moisture Replenish Cell Plumping. Oh my god, it hurts so bad. Should I just squeeze it? I don't know. It's like this big, it's freaking huge. He's gone and I squeezed my spot, which I'm probably going to regret. But it does look probably better. Probably not, but you know. The whole reason I started vlogging, I hate the angle. We need to come up, we need to level up, you know. That'll do. This is my new room, by the way. There is a full video coming on it. I'm just waiting for my dad to help me put a shelf up. The whole reason I started was just because I'm going to eat this cake. I'm a genius. This is really good. I'm an actual genius. I don't know whether I want to put makeup on today. Now I've got an open wound. I might just do brows. And maybe a bit of bronzer. I eat with my teeth. Sorry if that offends any of you. Let's put some brows on. How are we all? How are we all feeling? I've had my breakfast of a smoothie. If I wasn't eating cake, this would probably come across a bit more believable. But I've not been doing too bad. I've been having a smoothie breakfast whenever I wake up. And then not really eating until like 6. Oh my god. You can't twist it anymore. It's dying. That's it. Jack got me another one though. Because he's the best boyfriend in the world. These last a good 6 months, so if you want to get something that's good for your brows, get this. NYX Fill and Fluff. Is it NYX or NYX? I never know. I call it NYX. This is why I haven't vlogged, because I don't have anything to vlog. Like, I'm not doing anything. I don't have any plans for today. I'm probably going to leave it here for today. I don't know. I'll pick you up if I'm going to do anything else, but honestly, I think I'm just going to sit on the sofa and just do some sewing or something. So, sorry, I have a really boring life, so this is why I haven't been vlogging, but I'm trying for you. See you later. Good morning to you. Happy, I don't even know the day, and I'm not even going to be bothered to try and guess it. It's horrible outside, as you can probably see, but I'm in quite a good mood. Sorry about the running tap. I'm just defrosting some prawns for dinner, and I'm going to make a nice coffee. And I thought, you know, I'll show you how I do it. Let me grab all me things. Let me grab me vanilla. Woo! My little cup. My Kilner jar. This used to have toothbrushes in it, and then I was like, I've had enough of not having anything to drink cute drinks out of. So I took our toothbrushes out of it. Right, need the coffee. Let's pop you up there. I'm wearing my bandana. I'm in a bandana mode at the moment. By the way, I sell these on my Depop. All homemade. Get yourself one now. I'm going to start making face masks for when we come out of isolation. Cross our fingers. I have 4 of these in my pantry. It's actually not okay. Hey, let's get it. I either put a teaspoon of sugar or syrup, but I'm going to go for syrup today. You know, we're trying to be healthy. So I literally get a teaspoon of coffee in the bottom there. Pop my syrup in. I just do like a glug, you know. I can always add more. Yummy. Makes this sort of thing, mix it together. And then I add my ice cubes just before my water, because you shouldn't really put boiling water in glasses, should you? I feel like that's a thing. But I suppose they go in the dishwasher, so I'm sure it's fine. Okay, we'll pop the ice in. I don't really want to get splattered, so you know, we'll put the ice in. We've only got a few ice cubes. We'll just do a little bit of water. I'm scared this is going to make it crack. This is so scary. I live life on the edge. I'm sorry about the running tap. I'm trying to defrost my prawn children. I really made an effort this morning. Sorry, there's so much noise going on. And then I just do a mix of oat milk and water. I had to throw my metal straw away because I drank a chocolate milkshake with it and then left it upstairs for like a month, and then it was just not, there was no going back after that. But let's give it a try. Delish. Top it up with milk. Woo-hoo! I need to add some more ice, it's all melted now. Okay, I'll catch up with you. I need to stop saying that. That's my New Year's resolution for May. Is May today? No, I think it's the 30th. Well.
Hello to you. It's 8 p.m. I made a poke bowl. I thought, I'm really feeling prawns. So, because I watched Lydia Baylor-Zullo, her what I eat in a day, and she had poke bowl with prawns in it, and I was like, oh, I really feel that. Me and Jack are just being like chill out vegans, so you know, if we're not really feeling it, if we're feeling something, we're gonna have it. Like, you know, what's the point in living your life? If you feel something, eat it, treat yourself. So I went for some prawns, had some garlic prawns. Banging, so nice. My poke bowl was delicious. I'll put a picture, like a video in over the top of this, because oh my gosh, it was so good. But then about 3 hours later, I feel so sick. I feel so sick. So that ruined my cute mood. At least I still look cute in bed though. I've got this big Jack's big jumper on and my scrunchie. Like, I look cute in bed, sick. But I feel so ill, so I've been in my bed for like 4 hours. Probably not that long. I lied on the bathroom floor for a bit. I lied in Alfie's bed for a bit. Now I'm in my bed feeling sorry for myself. I look really pale as well. Not even the bronzer can save me now. So I think I'm just going to end this vlog here. Not really the note I wanted to end it on. I'm going to try and edit it, get it up tomorrow possibly. Happy Friday. Crazy, I'm uploading on a Friday. I'm really going to try and be more regular. Ew, who says that? Try and be more good. I think I'm going to bring back Sunday and Wednesday. You know, Sunday and Wednesday. Oh my god, I do upload on a Friday. I used to upload on a Friday. Wow, you can tell I've forgotten. So yeah, I'm bringing back Sunday and Wednesday. I'm really going to try and stay motivated. Go follow me on TikTok because that's where I always am. I'll put it on the screen and down below. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'd love it if you stuck around. Sorry about me being so tragic and rubbish. I'm trying. I'm back for you. I'm trying. Yeah, so give a like, subscribe, comment down below something fun, how you doing, how you holding up, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.